Hello students, welcome to another session of Narayana Live classes. Today we are discussing 9th class Unit 2B poem. What is a player? Actually here, what is a player? If anybody asks this question, generally we will answer, one who plays is a player. But here, what is a player means one who stands firmly, one who faces defeat but he won't give up the game or sport. One who stands firmly, one who faces troubles, one who practices always, that person will be called as a true player. So this in this poem, Jessica Taylor, she had explained very nicely, emotionally, she had explained this poem for us. Once I'll read the poem for you. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. A player is one who doesn't whine about their playing time, because a player knows it is an unacceptable crime. A player is one who practices game speed, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. See, this poem already we have discussed in the class, that a player is one who doesn't give up, means here who doesn't leave the game in the middle when he was going to face the defeat. Okay, and but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. Whenever he fails, he will learn. A true player will learn from the mistakes and he will put into practice once again. He doesn't commit the mistakes again. Okay, so like that here in this poem, Jessica Taylor, she had explained very excellently. Now here some questions are given for us. Who is the poet? See, Jessica Taylor is the poet. Jessica Taylor is the name of the poet. When doesn't a player give up? When he doesn't give up, when he doesn't leave the game, he does not give up when he faces defeat. When he knows that he is going to defeat, but at that time also he is very firmly, he stands in the ground, then only he doesn't give up when he faces defeat. So the true player doesn't give up when he faces defeat. Next, third one, whine means complain. W-H-I-N-E, whine means complain, not W-I-N-E. W-I-N-E, W-H-I-N-E, pronunciation is same, but meaning is different. Complain, this is. What does a player put beneath? Mistakes. Okay, so here he overcome the mistakes and he does not commit the same mistakes when he was practicing. He will set himself, that is called a true player. Next one, what according to the poet is an unacceptable crime of a player? Complaining about playtime is an unacceptable crime of a player. We have discussed in the poem, rain or shine. Okay, so in that way, here he should have to practice day or night, rain or shine. Means here he should not complain that what is this odd times to practice. He does not think in that way. So that's why here complaining about playtime is an unacceptable crime of a player. So that's why here he should have to practice day or night, rain or shine. Means here every day, every time he should have to practice, isn't it? So next session we will discuss. Students, see this second bit. In this second bit, they have given another stanza. I'll read for you. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. They will be the ones you see outside practicing day or night, rain or shine. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admit they are fine. See this very nice poem written by Jessica Taylor for us. A player one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. Even though they know that they are not the best, but they will accept that. But they won't settle for that. They wanted to improve themselves and they wanted to do the best for their team. They will be the ones you see outside practicing day or night, rain or shine. And they will say that, means here if you go and see outside, we will see that they will be practicing day or night, rain or shine. Means here every day, every time, whenever you go and see them, they will practice. That is a real player. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. Sometimes with barefoot, they will practice running. And if their ankles oozing the blood, or that they hurt, they will say that here they are fine, they are quite better. So they won't go for these negative thoughts. They will be always positive. So now the questions like this. Mention any one of doubts for a true player with reference to the given stanza. Settle for anything less. So here they will not settle for anything less. Means here they won't give up practicing. That is the meaning. What is the theme of the poem? Sportsmanship. Okay. Always they will think that here they wanted to be the best sportsman. So that is sportsmanship is the theme of the poem. Where do you see a true player? We can see a true player practicing outside. Okay, so we can see the players always practicing outside, which are in the open places, they will practice. Next question, where and when does a true player practice? Okay, now the true player, where he will practice? They practice outside, day or night, rain or shine. So this is the difference between a common player and a true player. A common player, he will just go outside and he will practice for a few hours and he will be back. But a true player, he practice outside day or night, rain or shine. Means here, whatever the situation may be, whatever the time it may be. Okay, so they will not give up the chance. They will not lose the chance. They will practice every time. See here, in a Mahabharata, if you take one example, the guru of Pandavas and Kauravas, Dronacharya, took them to the forest, and he set for one. He set a goal that he wanted to shoot the bird in the branches. All the disciples, they saw the branches, the bird, the bird's eyes, and the bird's beak, the bird's mouth. Okay, so like this, different students, they told different regions, whatever they were observing. At that time, the true player, that is Arjuna, he came and he saw only the destination. He doesn't see the branches, the flowers, the feathers of the bird, only the eye of the bird. That is the concentration of a true player. So that man, as soon as this guru, the Dronacharya had given the order, he shot the bird with a single arrow. So in the same way, here means here that Arjuna practices day or night, rain or shine. So that is called a true player. That's why here he became very, very popular all over the world in our epics, in Mahabharata especially. Okay, now what do the true players admit when they hurt? When they hurt, what the true player will admit? So they are hurt, they admit that they are fine. They won't go for the feelings that, oh, I have hurt a lot. In that way, they can't think. They will say that here they are fine, even though their ankles hurt and the blood was oozing. They will take the first aid and they will practice again. So that is the difference between a common player and a true player. Okay, ma. So we will meet again in another session. Thank you.